Hello everyone and welcome back to the freerockynation. I'm your host and Rocky's daughter, Amanda. The Indiana Department of Corrections has recently added soy to the inmates' diets in order to stretch the inmate food budget. While I understand that inflation is outrageous right now, adding soy is going to cause a problem, not fix one. Some of our supporters in Indiana have asked us to report on the effects of high concentrations of soy in the diet. Since Illinois has been serving our inmates soy since Blagojevich was governor, our inmates can tell you that soy consumption ultimately leads to a host of medical issues, including colorectal cancer. The path from soy consumption to cancer is not straightforward. I'm going to attempt to walk you through all the physiological processes, then I will discuss the legal precedent for removing soy. Lastly, I am going to provide you all with resources to equip you to take action on behalf of your loved one in order to get soy removed from the prison diet. The thyroid and iodine. So, what is the thyroid? It's part of the endocrine system. And it is a butterfly-shaped gland at the base of the throat. Proper thyroid function is crucial to the metabolism of almost all tissues. Your thyroid helps you metabolize fats and carbohydrates, helps you regulate your body temperature, helps your gut bacteria grow, helps your immune system respond to illness, and even helps you with your clarity of your thoughts. Check out this diagram. This is known as the thyroid gut axis. It shows how the thyroid affects gut health. If you've ever listened to a pet food commercial, you have probably heard that good food is the best medicine. The same is true for humans. Good food promotes gut health and adequate thyroid hormone levels. The effects of thyroid hormones come from two iodine-containing hormones, triiodothyronine and tetraiodothyronine. Tetraiodothyronine is also known as thyroxine and is abbreviated T4. Triiodothyronine is abbreviated T3. T3 and T4 are made in the thyroid gland. The bloodstream carries iodide to the cells of the thyroid. There is a high concentration of iodide inside thyroid cells as well. In order for iodide to cross from the bloodstream into the thyroid cell, it has to use a special channel. The channel is called a sodium iodine symporter, and it's abbreviated NIS. NIS literally pumps iodide into the thyroid cell where it becomes iodine, and later part of T3 and T4. If a soy molecule and an iodide molecule are near each other, the soy will bond to the iodide. If iodide is bonded to soy when it arrives at the NIS channel, it is too big to pass through the NIS channel. The bloodstream will carry the soy iodide molecule to the kidneys to be filtered out of the body. No iodide in thyroid cells ultimately leads to no T3 or T4 production. If you would like a more detailed explanation of thyroid hormone synthesis, please check out an educational video in this transcript. The video is from the YouTube channel EZMed. Synthetic thyroid medications do exist. Thyroid medications deliver fake thyroid hormones designed to mimic organic T3 and T4. When T3 and T4 naturally travel in the bloodstream, They are bound to thyroid binding globulin proteins, otherwise known as TBG. TBG ensures that T3 and T4 arrive to their tissues whole and functional. Soy can bond to T3 and T4 at the same site that TBG is supposed to bond. T3 and T4 reach their target tissues while they are bound to soy. Target tissues cannot use those hormones in that form. Think of it like a lock and key. Thyroid hormones are keys. TBG and soy are locks. Only one key can fit into one lock at a time. Our cells have the ability to recognize whether or not the right keys are arriving at cell doors, i.e. cell membranes. T3 and T4 bonded to soy look wrong to our cells. Also, our cells do not know how to unlock or remove T3 and T4 from soy. In order to fix this problem, our cells only have the right tools to unlock T3 and T4 from the TBG protein. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for part 2 of this miniseries. Podcast listeners will get the full podcast.